Yes.
Okay guys, we see the Nasdaq trying to go lower from here. I'm gonna place a limit order short. I don't see any buyers here. This at the end of the day, we got almost 20 minutes to the close. See lots of sellers here in this area. See the high frequency trading triangle here. Let's see it here. Okay, we see another high frequency triangle here. Let's see if buyers can reverse this market from here. It's a very critical zone. We're not gonna chase the price. We're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen here. Been a crazy day, guys. No trades for today. Okay, there goes the NQ. Price was rejected twice here, guys, as you can see. Let's see. Was rejected twice. Buyers tried to push the price up but couldn't. This is a good sign for a short. Buyers couldn't pick the price up. Okay, guys, we got filled. This is gonna be a quick trade. We gotta give it some room. Oh, sellers in the tape. There we go, big sellers in the tape, guys. Nasdaq is shorting now. How far it can go, we don't know, guys. We just get to our target and that's it.
Short signal yes.
Okay, it's a free trade now. It's a free trade, guys. My ATR here is the target. We can find buyers here.
Short signal NQ.
Okay, second fill. See more sellers in the tape. Okay, guys, I'm gonna exit here. Yeah, I'm gonna exit here. We see Nasdaq reversing here, and the ES he's gonna find buyers here. I don't know what can happen, but it's 10 minutes to the close, it's okay, guys. No more trading for now. See. Okay, there we go. Okay, we do it short here, but it didn't work out. It's break even. No, not a good trade. Then we did this one. This one worked out, so it's more than enough for today. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. Okay, the tape told us everything. We see the Nasdaq hitting the ATR, approaching the ATR. I saw that no buyers were not to be seen. But we didn't see any violence, but the rejection from the high just told me that the market doesn't want to go high. And I have a caution, and if I enter here, I can exit in this line, because it's a lot of mumbo jumbo here, so it's better to exit and get whatever you can get, guys. That's it. High frequency traders hitting the tape over here, so it's not a brainer, guys. We can go short. See, they hit again here, and there they go. There goes the micro ES. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.